Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So student, you all know that we are doing chapter 13, right? In our previous class, we are over with exercise 13.1. Now, from today onwards, we are going to start exercise 13.2, sorry, which is in page number 260 of your NCERT maths book. Alright, so now the first question is, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. First of all, if you remember, I have mentioned in the first part of the video, in the introduction part, that there are laws in the exponent which you have to use in the exercise. I've explained about those laws, right? Don't worry, over here also one by one I'll be explaining the laws. You have to simplify this and you have to write this in the exponential form. Alright, so first of all, let's have a look in the laws of exponent concept. Okay, so here we have the laws of exponent. So the laws of exponent state that the first one is rule of multiplying the powers with the same base. Suppose if you have the same base, and when you are multiplying the powers with the same base, then what will happen? Your exponents are going to get added. Suppose you have 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 6. Okay, if you have to simplify this, you have to write this in the exponential form. Then you have the same base, right? Then you can write one base here and you can add the exponent, that is 5 plus 6. This will become 2 to the power 11. So this is the exponential form and this is the simplified form. Now you don't have to write its value if they have not asked you to write the value. If suppose they have asked us to write the exponential form, you will end up here. Okay, you can do this only when you can use this rule only if you have the same base. If suppose you have 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 6, then you cannot apply this rule here because the base are different here, 2 and 3. Okay, so in this condition you cannot apply because rule of multiplying the powers will be applied for only the same base. Okay, am into a to the power n. So moving on to the next rules, we have number 2, rule of dividing the powers with powers. Let me write here with here. Rules of dividing the powers with the same base. If you have the same base and instead of multiplication, if you have the division sign, then what you are going to do is am minus n. If you have suppose 2, 3, 2 cube and 2 square, then what you are going to do with this is 2, 3 minus 2. Sorry, this will be here multiplication sign. Extremely sorry, division sign will be here. So when you have the division sign, then this powers will be subtracted or the exponent will be subtracted. Okay, so answer will become 2 to the power 1 because 3 to minus 2 is 1, right? So rule of taking power of when you have, suppose sometime you may have 2 cube and 2 square, then what you have to do with this exponents will get multiplied. So you can write 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2 to the power 6. You may directly write the answer 6 also. Okay, so these are the 3 basic rules, so using which you have to solve this problem. Okay, so the first part of the question is 3 square, 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 8. You just see you have the same base in every power, right? In every base there is same base, so you may write one base like this, right? And you will add the exponent 2 plus 4 plus 8. So you will write 3, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 14, right? So you'll write 3 to the power 14. So which rule you have used? By the rule of multiplying the power with same base. Alright, by the rule of multiplying power with the same base. Okay, so this rule you need to write in the first only. Okay, so let us proceed to the part 2. I hope you have understood this. Over here the rule of multiplication is applied. If you have the same base, then those powers or the exponents are going to get Okay, the exponents are going to get add. So here instead of multiplication you have the division sign. So now what you are going to do? First of all, I'll write which rule I'm going to use here. By the rule of dividing the powers with same base. Alright, so if you have division sign, then what I have told you to do, your exponents will be subtracted. So 6 to the power 15 minus 10 it will become. This and this will get subtracted. You will write only one base, and above that 15 minus 10 will become, so 6 to the power 5. Alright, so if it is not clear, I am writing here answer 6 to the power 5 is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Whenever you have the rule of multiplication, if the same base is there, your power is going to get add, your exponent is going to get add, and you will write your answer in this exponential form. They have not asked us to write the value. Most of the question will be similar to this only. You have to write only the exponential form. If suppose you have to write the value, then you have to multiply and get the answer. I know I have made you understand how to get the value when you have the exponential form, right? So this will not be any problem for you. So let us proceed to the part 3. Alright student, here we have the part 3 question. A cube a square. So what rule you are going to use? You will write first of all here. I am not going to write here. This is your work. You will show me what rule you are going to write here. Okay, in every step I'll be leaving this gap for you all to write this rule. I have already made you understood what are the rules. Rule of multiplication when powers are there, same powers. Rules of dividing the powers having the same base, and rule when there is power on power. So this is a multiplication sign having the same base. So what I'm going to do is 3 plus 2. I have added base, but you will write the rules here for in your copy. Okay, so it is a to the power 5. 7x into 7 square. Alright, so it is 7x plus 2, 7. It is 7x plus 2 because you cannot add x plus 2, right? X is not a normal value or the whole number, so we cannot add. So this is your answer, 7x plus 2. Okay. So now proceeding to the part 5. Okay, 5. You can see this is the third rule we have here. This is power on power, right? So what we have to do is, first of all we will multiply this number, that is 5 2 into 3 divided by 5 3. 5 to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 cube, right? Now what you are going to do, when you have the division and the same base, your exponents are going to get subtracted. So 5 to the power 6 minus 3, answer is 5 cube. Simple, no? First of all you have to solve this. You cannot directly write the answer. First of all this part should be solved. Okay, and next here, okay, the case is different, totally different. For this I have not mentioned any rule. Here what you have to do is your base are different. Just see, base are different. Alright, your base are different, but your powers are similar, right? Your exponent is similar. So let me write for this. I will be using the different rule. Not in this question. Three rules are not going to get involved. Those three rules are not going to help you to solve this problem. Okay, so I'm writing here rule by the, why we cannot use those three rules here, because here the base are different. Just see, base are different, but the exponent are same, right? Base are different. Till now whatever we did till number 5 was having a same base, but powers were different maybe. But here the base is different and powers are similar. If you have such condition, what rule you are going to use? Then I'm writing here by the rule of multiplying the powers with same exponent. If you have the same exponent here, then what you are going to do? Then in such condition you will multiply the base 2 to the power 5 and you will write one power outside the bracket above its head, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, and if you can multiply only if you have the same exponent. Alright, you cannot write otherwise. If you have, suppose another question say 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 6, then in such condition you cannot apply the this rule, because you have to have the same exponent, otherwise you will not be able to apply this rule. Okay, so here you have the same exponent but different base, so in such condition you will multiply the base and write one exponent. Okay, so 5 to the 10, 10 to the power 5 is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Again, I am repeating this part if you have not understood. So here the base is different, exponent is same. So whatever rule, those three rules are not applied. So the rule of multiplying the powers with the same exponent, here the exponent is similar, no? So two bases are going to get multiplied. First of all, you will multiply this base, and outside the bracket you will put one bracket, then you will write one exponent outside on its head. So it will become 10 to the power 5. Okay. Alright. So proceeding to part 7. A to the power 4, B to the power 4. Just see, even this condition, the rule number 4 you can say, which I have said you in question number 6. So you are going to write that rule. Rule number 4 is that. So rule number 4 we are going to use here. So A to the power 4, B to the power 4. You will write A into B first. You will multiply the base, then you will write one power or exponent in its head. It will become A into B to the power 4, right? A into B to the power 4, so you can write AB to the power 4. AB to the power 4. A into B is AB, no? So like what you did in your previous question, 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 was there. So in previous question you did 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So what you did, 2 into 5 to the power 5. So here A into B is AB. So that's like this, 2 5 is 10 to the power 5 you have written. Yeah. So in this way A into B is AB. So it is power 4. Simple, no? So here we have again rule number 3, what I have said you in the first class, first session of this period. Now what you are going to do, you will multiply this power, 4 into 3. So what is 3 into 4 into 3? 4 into 3 is 12. But before this you will write the power, you will write the rules whatever you have used to solve this problem. Okay, so moving on to the number 9. So first of all what you have is 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15, and this is inside the bracket into 2 cube, right? So what you are going to do for this is, alright, so 2 to the power 20 and division sign is there. So first of all let's solve the one which is inside the bracket. So 2 to the power 20 minus 15, let's put inside this bracket only, no issue. So now it will become 2 to the power 5 into 2 cube, right? So now we have solved this bracket one. I hope you have understood this. So whatever you have, 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15. First of all, I have solved that using the rule number 2, that is division part. If you are having the same base and division is there, then you will subtract the exponent. So I have done that. Now you have the same base and you have the exponents. So exponents will get added. Now 2 to the power 8 will remain as the exponential form. Okay, so here the first rule is rule number 3. And the second rule which I have used, that is adding the base, having when the same base is there, then this is your rule number 1. Okay, so now last one remain from the question number 1 is the part 10. So this will be a home assignment. So you are going to try it yourself. If there is any problem, as mentioned earlier also, you may ask me freely. Feel free to ask. Okay, so till then, student, stay safe and healthy. Do not forget to practice. All right. Thank you, everyone.